Sulphur Fork Creek, February the 24th, 2023. It's a cloudy day, around 50 degrees. Sulphur Fork Creek is in Springfield, Tennessee, and I'm just winding up my fishing trip here. I've caught my limit of 7 trout. I actually caught 8 and threw 1 back, but I do have a cooler of 7 trout that I'm taking home, which is the limit.
At the end of this video, I will show you exactly where I caught these trout, where to park, the bait I used, and the tackle I used to catch my limit of trout here. After all, this is a documentary on winter trout fishing at Sulphur Fork Creek 2023. This section of the creek is part of the Tennessee Wildlife Resource Agency's winter trout stocking program. There's a small dam shown here, and the pool above the dam is stocked with trout, and the pool below the dam is stocked with trout. In addition, the Springfield Greenway runs adjacent to Sulphur Fork Creek in this area, and about 3/4 of a mile upstream is a bridge, the Greenway Bridge, that crosses Sulphur Fork Creek, and there's a pool at that bridge, and trout is stocked there as well. This is the only section of Sulphur Fork Creek that is stocked with rainbow trout, and it was stocked December 2022, January 2023, and February 2023. This is a winter trout fishing experience. Heads up, you'll need a fishing license and possibly a trout stamp to fish here. Another good rainbow trout for the cooler. At this point I have 6 trout. 7's the limit. I guess I'll fish a little longer and try and catch that 7th one. Seventh rainbow trout here at Sulphur Fork Creek. To get to these fishing spots, you can program your automobile's navigation system to find the Robertson County Fair Association, which is on Highway 41 in Springfield, Tennessee. The parking lot beside the building has an entrance to the Greenway and Creek. Fishing here today has been a wonderful experience, and I would like to thank the TWRA for stocking this creek with rainbow trout. I would also like to thank the Springfield Parks Department for keeping this area clean and litter free, and also the Fair Board for allowing us to park in their parking lot. I caught 5 trout on Berkley Power Bait original scent trout nuggets in rainbow color. These are applied to the hook like a dough ball would be. I ran out of power bait, so I used a Bass Assassin brand spring minnow 1.5 inch to catch the other 2 trout. I used the same tackle setup for both the power bait and the plastic spring minnow. The hook is an Owner brand Mosquito Light number 4 size, and there's the word light in there. This is a thin wire, very sharp hook. The sinker is an Eagle Claw pinch-on sinker, 3/16 ounce, and I pinch the ears down with my fingers, but I allow the sinker to freely slide up and down my line. There's also a rubber bobber stopper that I use to adjust the height of the sinker and to protect the knot on the hook. I keep a 8 to 12 inch distance from the sinker to the hook. The line is 6-pound test fluorocarbon line, and I use a light spinning reel setup. I've created this video so that you would know where to fish and how to fish for winter stocked rainbow trout at Sulphur Fork Creek in Springfield, Tennessee. As of this date, I believe this to be the most detailed documentary on the subject. So if you liked this video, please hit the like button, and you may want to subscribe because I'll be doing other documentaries on other fishing spots in Middle Tennessee.